Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. It's a little bit later. I'm out here on the bike, riding up some hills, got tears in my eyes, going to drop off a caviar order. Just stopped at a red light, thought I would start up the vlog, and now that red light's green. So anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Okay, so I'm gonna vlog to y'all at red lights today. Pretty much what I got going on today is it's another random day. Today's Sunday. I woke up early this morning. I did one delivery. It was crazy windy. I had this radical idea of riding over to Sausalito. That did not work out at all. I made it like 3/4 of the way there, and it was so incredibly windy on the bridge. Maybe I'll drop some of that footage right here. This is crazy. This is insane. Don't get blown away. Look how powerful the wind is. Like, I don't even want to go around that corner. I tried to go around that corner and I almost fell over. It is incredibly windy out here on the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Oh shit, like literally the wind is pushing me. All right, cool beans. That's the first delivery down, or yeah, the first delivery down for the dinner rush. This is what homeboy Jermaine is looking like right now on a cold day. So I'm over here waiting on an order right now, and this is the old temporary Transbay terminal. We got the new Transbay terminal. It's that building over there. It stretches like 4 blocks. But this is the old Transbay terminal. And there are plans to build buildings here, like high-rises. But I wonder how long it's gonna take for them to do that. And this is just a big empty parking lot in the city. And this could be parking, y'all. They could be, you know, charging folks $10 to park around here. You know, they could be making some money off this, but they're just gonna leave it as it is, you know. I guess they'll keep charging folks, you know, $10, what is it, $4 an hour to park down here in this neighborhood. So glad I don't have a car anymore. I'm so glad I'm not driving a car right now. Insane. I've already rode the bike. I've already put like 40 miles on the bike today. With the LCD, I can tell you things like that, because before I had no idea how far I, you know, traveled in one day on the bike. But so far I'm at like 40 miles today, which is insane. I'll probably end up at like over 60 right now. I think I'll be out a couple more hours running around. At least I'll probably run this battery all the way down, and this battery's fully charged. So we good to go. Waiting on another caviar order, and things are a little slow right now. Maybe I should go head towards the middle of the city instead of this neighborhood, the East Cut. Oh, here's an order, here's an order. Yep, we taking this one. That's easy. Let's go pick this one up, yo. Okay, just picked up from this restaurant, and I haven't had this problem in a long time. So sometimes you go to certain restaurants and you show them the phone, because it has the number on the phone, like the order number, and you show them the phone and they look at the numbers and they give you the food. But some restaurants you go to, you show them the phone and they want you to like go to the next screen because they don't believe you. Maybe you could have screenshotted that and you randomly walk into a restaurant to steal the food, which who would go through all that work? So I go in, you know, show them their phone, and they're like, oh, this chick doesn't even speak English well. And she's like, go, next one. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Next what? And she's like, verify. And I'm like, verify. So I had to go back to the app. So we're going through this whole like app thing and like click this and click that. So she basically wanted me to click all the items and hit accept in front of her. And I'm like, this makes no sense. Like, I don't know. If anyone is watching this from Caviar or whatever, I don't think the restaurants are supposed to do this. Am I correct? Like, I've never had a restaurant to like actually watch me click all the buttons one by one like I'm a 1-year-old. Question, have anyone ever picked up from this restaurant? How do they treat you? Because maybe they just did that to me, or maybe they do that to everyone. I just think it's a little weird, and I've never ever picked up from a restaurant and had a situation like this before. Very, very weird. Maybe I'll avoid this place in the future. I don't know. Question mark. The falafel time. It's so weird to come here at night because I'm usually always here in the daytime. I never come here at night. Super weird. Different place. Well, same place, different time. I want to stay online with caviar, but what's going on right now is a lot of the orders popping up have really, really large tip amounts and very small, like actual pay amounts. And on the weekends, I like to go for orders with smaller tip amounts and larger actual payout amounts. And there's a bunch of bonuses going on. Well, there's one good bonus going on tonight. There's the 3 orders, you get $14 bonus. There's this one restaurant that if you pick up from, you get an extra $7 bonus. So I want to keep picking up from that restaurant because that's just the best place to pick up from around here. At this next restaurant now, and this order is like 30 minutes late, but this line is moving super slow. Oh well. Right now I am loving this night. Look at this, it's so beautiful. I'm never in this neighborhood. I'm never way out here in the avenues. Look at that moon up there. That moon looks beautiful. We gotta make a left. Dude, I was mobbing in the skateboard. Now I'm mobbing on the electric bike. I love it, yo. Electric bike's awesome. I'm just loving the moon right now. I know you guys probably can't see it, but it's beautiful. All right, a little bit later now at the hospital. No, it doesn't say no bikes, so let's just see what happens. Let's bring it up in here. Not dead. I mean, if they say anything, I'll say it. It didn't say bikes. I didn't know. I took my bike inside everywhere. Yo, that client was mad cute. Anyway, I got one more order to drop off, and I would have completed 9 deliveries and got a total of 3 bonuses during this little rush, this little shift. Not bad, not bad. I think I got enough battery to get back all the way without pedaling. All right, cool beans. Just dropped off the last delivery, and I'm at the Embarcadero Center. This place is trash because it's so windy. There's it's been just, the wind's been blowing like crazy all day, and it's just now starting to pick back up, and I'm getting ready to take off. But I don't know how this bike's gonna go because this bike's pretty much totally out. Maybe I have like a 1.5 miles to go, and I think I'm gonna have to pedal. But that's cool. I gotta pedal. Wow, look at what the wind did. Blowed everything down. All right, I am done. Been on the computer for a couple hours, cranking out some of those San Francisco series of videos. I actually love making those videos, and I love sitting down and watching those videos because they're just very, very entertaining. There's always crazy stuff going on in the background. There's always people coming up to me like, yo, what's up? There's always people throwing fingers up. Like, it's just fun, entertaining. I like it. It's something that I enjoy doing, but as of now, I gotta go. Like, I've been here on the computer for hours, and it's time to go home. And I don't know if I told you guys on another video. So I'm at like the office now, and I'm leaving, and I'm going home because I moved. I'm not living with my friend anymore. I moved to another place, and it literally takes me 40 seconds to walk home. I'm literally like 60 seconds from my bed because it takes me like another 20 seconds to get from the lobby to maybe it takes more than 20 seconds, but like I'm literally like seconds from bed. Like, that's so awesome. That's so cool. That's so amazing. And I got a quick walk, and yeah, I'm not even gonna take the backpack. I'm just gonna walk with the computer in my hand underneath my jacket because it's dark out there. It's scary out there. It's windy. Actually, it's windy, but it's not cold. And I checked the forecast for tomorrow, and oh my gosh, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so stoked because guess what? It's gonna be nice and warm tomorrow. I won't need 2 jackets. I won't need 2 jackets. I can get away with like maybe 2 shirts and some shorts and no leggings and no 2 jackets and no electric jacket and no charging my battery in the middle of the day. And yeah, let go. I'm out. I gotta go. I'm hungry. I'm ready to lay down. I'm ready to do all this over again tomorrow. But I'm out. Peace out, yo.